Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to create a SLA profile in OctoPerf. So, what is a SLA profile? So, SLA profile is a expected value, accepted value by the business or your big product owner to a specific transaction or specific request. So, in OctoPerf, we have the privilege that we can create a rule. So, if it cross the given SLA or the expected value, then it will show you as a warning in your execution during your execution. So, how to create an SLA profile? So, just go to the any of your transaction. So I'm going to the home page of the task and complete. So if you see on the left side, you have an SLA profiles. So I have already created a response time SLA profile, which is for maximum response time of your request, any request. So there is no specific rule for your request. So yeah, so if you after creating this request, so you can add your SLA profile by clicking add SLA profile. After clicking SLA profile here, you need to select what kind of response or what kind of metric you want to calculate it. So you can click it. You can select the hit per second and the counter. So what severity you want it, past, warning, or critical. With a count of 50, with the count of 50 here, 50 and less than or greater than symbols, and the seconds and the duration occurrences of seconds. So if it out of the 50 samples, if it's crossing the 30 more than 30 seconds, that will be reported as a breach, SLA breach, or SLA warning, or SLA passed as per your condition. So after adding that, so you can go to your script, select this, and add add your SLA here. So you got the response times here. So you have number SLA1 and SLA2. So if you select this, uh, if you select this, so the particular transaction, it will apply for the specific transaction now. So the response time for this request, which is used to how to use CSV config in JMeter, if that request is crossed more than 30 seconds of maximum response time, then it will issue it as in a critical. It will issue a critical with a count of when it 50 to 90, in between 50 to 90, it is more than 50 times and less than 90 times, then it will with those 30 seconds, then it will report a SLA breach. So first thing, again I'm repeating the points how to use an SLA profiles. First, we need to create SLA profiles based on your response times or alerts, response times or hits, average millisecond, average response time, maximum response time, minimum response time, connected time. So we have multiple metrics here, average hits per hits rate per second, average response time per second, and maximum response time, minimum response time, avtex, average connected time. So these are all metrics we have, and the latency, sentiments, received bytes, all the information we have. So based on this, as per our requirement, you can create an SLA profile. After creating the SLA profile, we need to select to which request you're going to apply this SLA profile. So I have created SLA profile, and I have added the SLA profile to my one of the requests. So how to add the SLA profile what you created to your request? Go to the processes. You will have an SLA option here. You will have an SLA option. You will have an SLA option. When click on this SLA option, it will be added. So move that SLA to the expected. To which request you want to add it, just go to the and add it to the specific request and change your profile. So what profile you want? When you click on the arrow, you will have profile types here, what you created earlier. So I have created response time here and SLA1. So I'm using the response time. The response time SLA, what I have created here is maximum response time. So we can create any number of SLA profiles for your project. So if you create a SLA in your project, SLA profile in your project, that will be accessible through all your scripts in that project. Thanks for listening, friends.